This is an emergency alert transmission. This is not a test. This is an emergency alert transmission. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. This solar flare event expected to impact the Earth tomorrow is expected to last longer than anticipated, and may be much greater in intensity. It has the potential to cause significant damage to satellite systems and other infrastructures. Authorities are recommending for everyone to stay indoors until an all-clear message is given. Bring your pets inside. Stock up on extra supplies including water, and seek out reinforced shelters if possible.